So how do we actually connect our Marshall Major 4 Bluetooth headphones to our PlayStation 5 here, as you can see? Well, the easiest way to do so is to actually grab your remote if it's connected to your TV and then click on the home button here on the remote if you have one. So I'm just going to click on the home button because instead of connecting it to our PlayStation 5 directly, we're going to instead connect it to our TV because we cannot connect it directly to our PlayStation 5, unfortunately, but we can connect it to our TV, which then will instantly be recognized by the PlayStation 5 as well. So it's kind of like a workaround, if that makes sense. So we're gonna go into settings here, click on all settings, scroll down and click on remotes and accessories, and then click on pair accessory here, as you can see. Now on your major Bluetooth headphones here, just click and hold on the power button here until you get a blue blinking light here. Then click on OK here. And then just connect to them here, as you can see, just pair to them and just wait a couple of seconds for it to finish and then click on pair once again. And now when it's paired, just click on this button right here on your remote and then go back to PlayStation here. And yeah, now you can start using them and you will see that all the sound is gonna come to your major Bluetooth headphones here, as you can see. And that is basically exactly how to connect them.